Good morning, everyone. I am Chloe Ashley Crowley, Director of the Prince Jackson Center here at Jackson State University. Shout out to the dancers. Welcome to Jackson State. Welcome to Jackson, Mississippi. If this is your first time here, we're so excited to have you. How y'all doing? Good. Everybody excited to be here? Yes, we're excited that you're here with us.
7 and 8. 1, 2, 3,